Hello, welcome back. We're going to talk about this, but in case you're wondering what this is, it's a microphone. It's new. I got it to improve the sound quality of my videos. The price is really cheap for something like this. I'll be doing a review. If you're interested to find out more, check the link in the description at the end of this video. Okay, let's get back to this, the cartridge. You found this video because your water tap is leaking and you want to replace the cartridge and see how it's done. Continue watching. But if it's a leak at the base of your tap, down, into and under the basin, there is another video. Link is in the description. Or if you want to change the whole tap, there is another video. Link is also in the description. If changing a cartridge is really what you are seeking to do because you spend a lot of money on the tap and you're not about to throw it out, this video is for you. I spent $75 on this tap, by the way, and I've been using it for 5 years, so I'm going to change the cartridge. Hit the like button, subscribe and share this video with someone who may find it useful. Write a comment, any comment under this video on YouTube. This will help my video and channel grow bigger, better and faster. Let's get started. By the way, this is the first time I'm doing this. Wish me luck. First, turn off the shut-off valve. But if you don't have a shut-off valve, you would have to turn it off at the mains outside your house. If you want to see how I install a shut-off valve, check the video link in the description at the end of this video. Cover the drain hole with a plug or cloth to prevent small parts falling in. Find the cap behind the lever of the tap and use a small screwdriver to pry it off if your fingernail can't do it. Look how small this is. We don't want it to drop into the drain hole. Put it somewhere safe. Let's see what's inside. An Allen screw. What size? I'm not sure. Got to try. Let's see if this fits. Nope. What about this? Ah, yes. Turn it about 2 to 3 rounds so that the tiny screw doesn't drop out, and it could be difficult to put it back. Now let's pull the lever off. It may take some effort since it has been sitting there for years. I'll use the screwdriver to give it some leverage. Apply an even force all around. Okay, it's coming off. Let's see what the underside looks like. The Allen screw still sitting there. This is what the lever was turning when it was seated on top. It has grooves that look like the teeth on a gear. Not sure what's the proper name to call this though. And this whole thing is the cartridge that we'll be removing. We will use an adjustable wrench. Oops, got to hold onto the tap. Turn anti-clockwise until the cartridge pops out. Out it comes. Let's take a closer look. I wonder which part is causing the leak. It looks so intricate and a work of precision engineering. It looks unrepairable to my untrained eyes. Let's look inside the main tap housing. Nothing much to see here. Let's go shopping for a new cartridge. There are various sizes, different widths, heights, screw thread intervals, and gear teeth count. All these seem a little different. I can't seem to find an exact match. Let's just try this. Doesn't look like it's going to work. What do you think? Look at the differences. I'll go ahead and install it and see how. That's the only way to find out. Oh no, can't even turn it in. I think the screw thread intervals are different. I'm gonna put the old cartridge back in and buy a new tab instead. Find a tab that is so cheap and so good that it makes replacing a cartridge not a worthwhile thing to do. I have a video on that, by the way, and the link is in the description. Putting the cartridge back now is easy now that we have seen how it was taken out. Screw the cartridge back down and tighten it with an adjustable wrench. Put the lever back on. Tighten the Allen screw. Put the cap on. Turn on the water supply and check the flow. Well, that does it. Removing and installing a cartridge is pretty simple, but finding an exact match is not as simple as I thought. Anyway, I'm off to getting a new tab. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video with someone who may find it useful. Write a comment, really any comment, under this video on YouTube. This will help my video and channel grow bigger, better and faster. And don't forget to check the links in the description for more related videos. Thank you once again and see you again soon. Bye.